Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today I'm going to share about 5 investments you can make in your 20s and 30s to make you wealthy. If you are in your 20s and 30s and want to have a comfortable lifestyle, the one thing you can do now is to invest early. The sooner you start investing, the wealthier you can be in the future. The good news is that you have time to make big changes before it's too late. Let's imagine, when is the best time for the snowball to get the size larger? Before rolling or after rolling? The longer it rolls, the bigger size it will be. It also applies to you. The sooner you invest your wealth, the size of the snowball will be getting more after some time, since wealth takes time to accumulate. So keep watching this video until the end because you are going to know about which 5 investments can make you wealthy in your 20s and 30s. Before kicking off, if you believe you can be rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos related to wealth secrets, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. Number 1. Emergency savings. The sooner you start saving, the more you can accumulate. According to the survey held by Bank of America, 30% of Americans decide to build saving in this new year. Saving is important because it can help you weather a recession, especially once you are laid off and only depend on your day job to make a living. Also, it helps you cover unexpected spending. What's more, savings is essential for you to get rich. The more you can save, the more you can invest in yourself to shortcut the learning curve to be a wealthy person. Also, it can serve as a cushion. In common, experts recommend people have sufficient money to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Most people think they need to save a lot more than they do and are surprised to find out how small of an amount they can save each day. The key is doing it in small increments, so it's not daunting. Saving just $5 a day will result in a savings account balance of more than $36,000 by turning 35. And because the money has been growing steadily for years, there's less risk that market fluctuations will affect your savings account balance. As far as investing goes, many people get overwhelmed and want to put off investing until they have more money. But there's no point in delaying. Every dollar counts. Here is the second one: a diversified investment portfolio. In this section, I'm going to show you how to build your diversified investment portfolio. First, start by building your diversified investment portfolio, including but not limited to investing in stocks. You may ask, what are the benefits of investing in stocks? Generally speaking, there are 5 benefits if you invest in stocks. The first one, you can earn higher returns compared with other kinds of investment. For example, gold and bonds. The second one, you can protect your wealth from sky-high inflation and serve as a hedge. The third one, you can have a recurring passive income instead of only relying on your day job hard-earned income. The fourth one, high liquidity. Just in case once you need to have extra money within a short period. You can easily sell your stocks to exchange money compared with other investments such as real estate. The fifth one, diversification. You can easily build your diversified investment portfolio with different industries through stocks. Moreover, a diversified investment portfolio can give you more diverse investments to hedge against risk. Consider adding I-bonds and real estate investment trusts to your portfolio. You may ask, what is the benefit of investing in I-bond? When you invest in I-bond, it can help protect your purchasing power from sky-high inflation with low risk. You may also ask, what is the benefit of investing in REITs? You can have one more income stream to earn passive income so that it can give you peace of mind. Instead of only relying on your day job hard-earned income, some REITs focus on residential properties, while others focus on commercial properties. If you would benefit from hiring a financial advisor, start looking now. The sooner you find someone who can help guide you through this process and answer any questions, the better off you will be when saving for retirement. Number 3, investing in yourself. It may seem like time is on your side when you are in your 20s and 30s, but that's not true. The time you spend in these years can greatly impact the rest of your life. As Warren Buffett mentioned before, the best investments you can do is to invest in yourself. You may ask, what is the meaning of investing in yourself? It means you put your money, time, and effort into yourself to have a better version of yourself currently and in the future. You may also ask, why is it important to invest in yourself and what can I benefit from it? It can help broaden your perspective and increase your wealth. You don't need to listen to people's opinions around you anymore limitedly. Instead, you can open your mind and think outside of the box. For example, you can listen to someone that he had already achieved the goal that you dream of. Besides, you can invest in yourself by exercising to build up your health. Or you can invest in yourself by reading more books to broaden your horizon through Amazon. Or you can invest in yourself through e-learning, the digital course about how to make money online. If you're interested and open-minded enough, then feel free to click the links down below to discover more about how to make money online to boost your income after finishing watching this video. Investing in yourself now could help ensure you will always be able to take care of yourself. Before jumping to the 4th investment, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Number 4, home ownership. Owning a home is one of the best investments you can make in your 20s and 30s. You are likely to have more money in your 30s than in your 20s, but it may be a challenging decision. There are plenty of expenses to take into account when deciding whether or not home ownership is for you. For starters, monthly mortgage and property taxes are higher than rent payments and utilities. And if you want to buy a home with a down payment, the costs will quickly add up. But don't let those caveats scare you away from home ownership altogether. The benefits far outweigh the negatives, especially when renting over time. Plus, owning a home has been shown to provide emotional and financial stability that comes from knowing where you live. If nothing else convinces you this will, home ownership offers tax advantages that renters don't get. However, there is another cost to consider before buying: housing affordability. Home ownership might not be affordable right now, regardless of how much money you make or where you live. Knowing these questions before signing a contract could help prevent future problems. Can I afford the monthly payments? Is my credit score high enough? Will I qualify for financing? Is my income sufficient enough to qualify for mortgage rates? If I choose a mortgage plan, Am I ready to commit to a mortgage term within 15 to 30 years? If you can answer all these questions, home ownership may be your right investment. The final one, health insurance. When you are in your 20s and 30s, health insurance is one of the best investments. You may ask, why do I need to invest in health insurance so early? I'm young now. I think I can directly skip it as I'm healthy. Because if you start investing in health insurance early, your premium will be lower but with a higher coverage health insurance plan. That means you can pay less money with a better plan compared with a 51-year-old. It's easy to become consumed by day-to-day activities and neglect your health. Don't be someone who doesn't have a plan for medical emergencies. When you are in your 20s and 30s, it can be difficult to find affordable coverage because of pre-existing conditions or accidents that happened when you were a child. Plus, if you are pregnant, it's not just about you anymore. So being covered is even more important than before. To find affordable coverage while protecting yourself from high premiums and exclusions, look into an insurance policy through the health insurance marketplace. You can compare prices and benefits side by side to ensure you get the right coverage at the best price. Consider alternatives like getting insured with your friends or family members if there's no employer-sponsored plan available. This could be worth considering since you will likely pay less per month since someone else also pays part of the premium. To conclude, it is always premature and timely to begin investing. In your 20s, investing in the stock market might be a good idea. In your 30s, look into real estate investments like buying a home you will live in for a few years before renting it out. However, no matter what, your affordability is always essential before making any investment, as well as due diligence. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about Rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.